Hi there. I am going to go through the problems that you have on your third quarter exam review, I'm sorry, so that you can hopefully have an opportunity this weekend to take a look at those problems. The way that I have the guide set up for you with the bulleted list underneath each question, you'll be able to have step-by-step of how to solve it. And then you can also use as a study guide, come watch these videos. So here we go. This is problem number 1 about a circular building having a diameter of 25 meters, and they want to know the area of the building. So the first step tells you to draw the circle. Like I tell you in class all the time, if you're reading a word problem about having a circular building with a diameter of 25, yes, your brain can read that and understand what it's asking. But when it comes to doing the math, if you're not drawing the picture so that your brain can see the same process that we've solved these all along in class, you're not going to set yourself up to be as successful as you could be. So if you draw the circle, draw the diameter, list RIDCA or RDCA next to the circle, you'll see that your brain will kind of go into autopilot in terms of, okay, I have my diameter, now I'm going to do my radius, now I'm going to find the area. I promise, I know you think I'm just a crazy teacher telling you you need to write, but I promise that's the way it works. It is super helpful, so please, please, please try to do that. So I'm drawing my circle, my diameter. The diameter goes through the center of the circle from one side to another. Radius is only halfway across the circle. So my diameter is 25 meters. My next step would be I need to list RIDCA. You should know what that means, but just in case. Radius, diameter, circumference, and area. Since this problem is not asking me to find circumference, I'm just going to cross that out because it's not necessary. But again, my brain is seeing RIDCA there, so it helps my brain go into autopilot of the process to solve these. So I know that my diameter is 25 meters. If my diameter is 25 and I'm going up to radius, I know that is half. So half of my diameter will be 12.5. Now I need to find the area of my circle. The area formula is pi r squared. So I write the formula, I fill in what I know. Don't forget, squared is an exponent. It is not multiplying the radius by 2. It is multiplying the radius times the radius. So this is going to be 12.5 times 12.5. So I have 3.14. I'm sorry, we're going to do the exponent first. So 12.5 times 12.5. Remember PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses, exponents before you multiply and divide. So that's why it's important to do the exponents first. So the area of my circular building will be 490.625 meters. And there is a reminder here that make sure you put your units squared, so it is meters squared. So the answer to this problem would be the area of the building with a diameter of 25 meters would be 490 and 625 thousandths meters squared. So hopefully this helps. There is another area, there's another circle problem on the review, but I'll be back with that one in a few minutes. So see ya.